The beauty benefits of aloe vera are well known all across the world. This succulent plant stores water in its leaves, stems, and roots, which give it a fleshy appearance. It is used as an active ingredient in moisturizers, face washes, soaps, and sunscreen lotions due to its moisturizing, curative, and calming properties. The aloe vera gel also can work wonders on your skin by reducing pimples, and clearing the blemishes and scars that get left behind. Let's find out how this herb heals acne and pimples and treats the scars. This aloe vera face pack also clears excess oil, dead skin cells, and lightens pimple marks. Needed ingredients: 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, ½ teaspoon of lemon juice, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. How to make and used: mix all the ingredients properly, and make a well paste. Apply this paste on the affected area on your face, or you can use it all over your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes, and wash off with water. Regular application of this face pack will reduce the appearance of the dark spots, pimples, scars, and marks. Thank you for watching. If you find the video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel to check out my upcoming videos.